Hi, today I'm going to show you how to work with the To-Do feature in Google Classroom. This is a feature that I really wish I would have been aware of when I started using Google Classroom during the pandemic time here. We'll definitely be using it from now on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the three bars here in the upper left corner of Google Classroom. And right here under teaching, you have your to-do. And that brings up this screen. And so what you're looking at, there are two options at the top. We have to review and then reviewed. You can switch back and forth between the two of those. And right here, this allows you to look at all classes or pick a particular class or even your archived classes to review or to look at one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump to the Wheeler family class right now. And so here are some things that need to be reviewed. And I have the ability to click on the three dots on any of these. It's sorted. We have no due dates. We have some works in progress here. In fact, let's see if I go to my Algebra 1 class. You can see I still have a lot of things I haven't reviewed yet. I was actually planning to go in and for this class kind of clean it up today. I guess these are all works in progress right now. Some of them are past deadline. As you can see, the due dates are right here listed for those that are works in progress. So going back to the Wheeler family here, if I wanted to take this Desmos decimals, and you can see that it's been assigned to two people. Nobody has turned it in, and this is something that's set up for my family, so we haven't really followed through on the turning in piece of it. It's more just been for kind of playing around and learning about Google Classroom and some things early in the pandemic. Whereas my Algebra 1 class here, we have turned in, assigned, and returned. So you'll be able to see all three of those things in your to-do list. From here, you can click on one of them and it'll take you into that assignment like I just did there. Go back here. And again, I'm going to go to my family one because I don't need to worry too much about what I do in this one. And so the three little dots over here, if you click on them, you can see that you can mark an item as reviewed. So to kind of clear it out, know that you're done with it. And I can go over to my reviewed tab there at the top, and now you'll see that that item is now in the reviewed list. You are able from the reviewed list to come here and move it back to the other side. However, let's say Maddie or Elijah, my children, one of them would turn this in. It would not automatically move to that. So you actually have to manually decide if you want to move it or not. So I guess I haven't quite figured out the how I'm going to exactly use this yet for myself, but I do think it will be a useful tool to help me stay organized with multiple classes to know what I need to do and kind of organize myself in a little bit different way than I have been. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on looking at the to-do feature of Google Classroom.